Hey everyone, today I'll show you guys how to make a desk calendar. So let's see. So I have made this calendar about 2 weeks maybe. So I'm gonna show you guys today how to make this. So let's see. So this is the calendar, dates, months and days, and we could change the days, the dates and also the months. Materials required are color paper of your choice and a white paper, gift paper instead of color paper. If you like, you could also use a color paper, a ruler, glue, pair of scissors, whitener, pencil and sketch pens. Now let's see. So I'm gonna say you guys everything according to measurements. If you take it according to measurements, it will come perfectly. So the first thing which we need to measure is a ruler and a pen. First check that 12 centimeters. So it's perfectly 12 here, and I'm gonna mark where the 0 is there. So I'm gonna mark using my pencil. And I'm gonna put it straightly and mark until 12.5 centimeters. So it's perfectly 12.5. Next, I'm gonna cut it out using my pair of scissors. So yeah, we are gonna make 3 papers like this. Now let's see how to make the pockets. So first take a piece of paper and mark 3.5 centimeters. So we are gonna make a pocket now, so that's why we are taking 3.5. Next, put it straightly and draw a line. It's optional to draw a line, you could directly fold it also. So I'm gonna fold it. Next, I'm gonna take my ruler and once fold it using my hand. Now it's like this. Now again I'm gonna mark 3 centimeters. So 0 to 3 centimeters. So let's mark 3 centimeters. Then again putting aside like how I measured 12 centimeters to cut the square, I'm gonna do the same but with the centimeters 3 centimeters. Next I'm gonna fold where I kept the 3 centimeters dot. So fold it straightly like this. Next again fold it other side where I kept the 3 centimeters dot. Now turn the paper and again fold it so you could see the line which I folded. So I'm gonna use that as my marking and fold it. But you should also fold it both sides, back and front, left and right. So I'm gonna fold it. Then it's like this. I'm gonna fold it in this way and fold another one. And then I'm gonna put the glue on the square pieces, the tiny square pieces at the both sides and stick it perfectly. Then I'm gonna put some glue and stick it down. And then I'm gonna put more glue on the other side and stick it on the top of another piece. Now our pocket is all done. See, we could put anything. 1, 2, 3. 3 pockets. We are gonna make 3 pockets. So we could open like this and put anything like the months or dates. Now you should take a white paper and mark 4.5 centimeters and cut it out. Ta-da! So you're gonna make 2 pieces with it. Now let's see what's the next process. So I'm gonna start drawing a bow and slowly come to the Hello Kitty face, the ear, the head, another ear. Started with the face and connected again, and drawing the tiny eyes, another eye and the nose, and then the hair of the cat. Hello Kitty cat. Guys, you could draw whatever you like. Now my Hello Kitty is ready. I'm gonna mark them using my sketch pen. So let's see. So I'm gonna mark using my black color marker pen to give it a bit more like darker outline so that it is better than the pencil one. I'm gonna mark everything. I'm gonna fill the eyes because eyes are black. Next, using my red color, I'm gonna do the bow. So yeah, I'm done with my bow, and then I'm gonna do the nose red. Next, I'm gonna cut it out. There we go, I'm all done. So my Hello Kitty is ready. I made 2 of them. Now I'm gonna take a purple paper. You could take any paper and cut a circle piece. Ta-da-dang! A circle piece is ready. Now I'm gonna mark as 2021 using my whitener pen. As it is 2021, and guys, 2020 had gone really crazily, like everywhere pandemic, and we have to see what will go in 2021 because pandemic had started and COVID and other viruses. So my circle color drawing is ready. Next, taking my pocket and putting some glue on the back of the Hello Kitty half, and I'm gonna like stick it only the half and the other half like at the top plainly. I'm gonna do the same to my next Hello Kitty also. Ta-da! I'm sticking to my pocket. I'm sticked. Okay, so my 3 pockets are ready. So the 2 are Hello Kitties and another one is the. Now I'm gonna take a color paper and cut 5 and 5.5 centimeters. Now they were all done. Now I'm gonna write my month: January, February, March, April, and yeah, they were done. And then I'm gonna write my days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday had came. So I'm gonna write as sun, draw sun and Sunday, and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all the numbers. My dates are done, my months are done, and my days are done. Now I'm gonna take another color paper and to make the box. And now I'm going to take my ruler and mark 4 centimeters. And also the other side 4 centimeters. And also the bottom. So now I'm going to draw a straight line in between the both dots. Perfect line using a scale, and I'm gonna fold it out. And I'm gonna fold it equally without opening the folds. And then I'm going to open the folds and glue them at the end. Now it's ready. Now I'm going to take my pockets and put double-sided tape on the back and peel them off. Ow! It's painful! Why are you doing that hard? And I'm gonna stick it in the box which I made. And I'm gonna do the same. Ow! Why are you doing that hard? It's painful. another one too. So now I'm gonna put the days in one pocket, months in one pocket, and dates in one pocket. And my calendar is ready. Like, it's not all ready. So my months, dates, and days. Now I'm gonna write as days on one paper and also as months on one paper, like the same paper, and also dates. And now I'm gonna cut it out. Okay, I'm all done. Like, I'm at the dates to cut. Okay, I'm all done. Now I'm gonna stick them to my back of the pockets. There we go. Days on days. Dates on dates, months on months. Now my calendar is done. Happy calendar. Dates I could change. And months I could change. Month. Date I could change. Day. Now my happy calendar is all done. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Bye bye. Until then, wait for my next video. Bye.